Cadel and Mia gained over 13 billion views in less than 30 days on YouTube. This is something that has never happened in the history of YouTube. They have literally broken a world record, and they are getting more views than the biggest creator on YouTube, Mr. Beast, who averages around 3 billion views per month. But just a few months ago, Cadel and Mia weren't getting these insane views. So what did they discover in November of 2025 that got them over 13 billion views in just a single month? Well, first I'm gonna break down the systems behind their success that got them 13 billion views and why it works on YouTube, which you can also use to at least get a couple million views on your videos. Second, what beginners don't understand about YouTube and mistakes most people don't talk about. And third, how much money they made from 13 billion views in a single month. It's gonna blow your mind. By the way, if you want to know how to grow and get monetized on YouTube in just 7 to 30 days like I do for many channels, then watch the video in the description. So Cadel and Mia didn't go viral because of luck or talent. They engineered content that gains attention at scale. If you look at their videos from a few months ago, they were clearly getting millions of views per video and pulling in millions of views per month. But this is what they did to get 13 billion views per month. First, they create ultra short and ultra repeatable, cool and funny videos. I'm talking 5 to 30-second short videos that require no setup, little time investment, and no context needed, meaning anyone can easily understand what the video is about in less than 3 seconds, which is crucial because the first 3 seconds of the show is very important and determines whether your video is gonna get watched and blow up or get swiped away. And so since their videos are very short, people rewatch them over and over, which increases their retention and chances of going viral. Second reason is their content trigger emotions such as surprise, curiosity, childlike wonder, and funny. Here's some examples. These are few examples of why their videos go viral. The third biggest reason, while Cadel and Mia were already posting multiple times a day a few months ago, but during the last quarter of 2025, they began posting over 30 videos per day. Yes, you heard me right. 30 videos per day, because YouTube pays a lot more money during the end of the year, so they doubled down on their upload frequency, which skyrocketed their views. And by posting that many times per day, they increased their chances of having at least 10 videos go super viral per day. And those shorts were linked to other shorts, which boosted those shorts and created a snowball effect. They didn't bet on one viral video, they built a casino. Now some people, especially beginners, would want to try this on long form videos. But this works well on shorts and wouldn't work the same on long form videos, because shorts reward swipe rate and retention. And also put this in mind, YouTube shorts don't reward creators, they reward viewer behavior. Now for you to be able to do the same, you don't necessarily need to copy Cadel and Mia's content, you need to copy their structure. For example, 1. Optimize your content for replays, not likes. 2. Make videos that need no explanation. And 3. Think in systems and consistency, not single uploads. But don't post multiple times per day if you are a new beginner, because YouTube stops recommending your content in the beginning if you are posting too much, because they will think you are just spamming, as you haven't yet built an established audience yet for them to trust you. So first, start slowly and gradually increase your upload frequency once you get a good audience who watches each of your videos. And that's how these guys got 13 billion views in less than 30 days. But now the question is, how much did they make from those many views? Well, YouTube pays an average of 20 cents per 1,000 views on shorts videos. So if you multiply that to 13 billion views, it means Cadel and Mia made around $2.6 million in just a single month. So if you want me to help you grow and get your channel monetized in just 7 to 30 days, like I do for many channels, so that you can also start making money on YouTube, then watch this video.